Good morning. It's another day, another project. Today's challenge for myself and Mel, more likely Mel than me, but it's the genius behind Mel that makes a difference, hey? We are going to be working on the cubbies behind in the bedroom area. So these, let me show you, these cubbies in the bedroom area, I want to have some small pull-out drawers created, and also going to have 2 large pull-out drawers underneath the bed. So that is today's assignment. Fingers crossed we can get 4 drawers done. So that's 2 little ones for the bedroom cubby and 2 large for below the bedroom. We'll also give you an update on the fridge, because as you can hear, that is now running in the background. Mel did a fantastic job the other day fitting that, and we tested it all last night, so Mel will tell you more about that in a bit. Right, we're parked outside the barn. I've just got to get my van reversed into the workshop and set up, and we will see you in the next clip. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning! Welcome back to another video. Today is
Wednesday.
Work day. It is Wednesday, but this isn't waffle on a Wednesday. This is
Work on a Wednesday.
Work on a Wednesday. I like that. Well done. Very good.
Today's video, Mel is just going to quickly talk you through what he did to the fridge yesterday and this morning.
Because I've been experimenting with the new Bluetti AC 180.
Yes.
This isn't a paid promotion. This isn't even a promotional video. This is just me explaining to you what I'm doing with the new Bluetti, just to experiment with it to see if it is any good or not. And so far,
it seems to be working well.
First night, the first experiment is passed. So what I've done to connect up Rebecca's fridge to the Bluetti is simply attach the Bluetti, which was meant to be the charge port. This was supplied with the Bluetti, and this is supposed to be so you can plug the Bluetti into the cigarette lighter port to charge the Bluetti. But what I've done is cut the end off and added another plug to it. At the other end of this plug simply goes to the cable that was supplied with the fridge. So the fridge, in effect, is being charged by the Bluetti 12 volt 10 amp outlet. And this was left on all night last night, and this morning the Bluetti from 100% was only down to 80%. So I only used 20% of the power to run this huge fridge all night. And I was really surprised by that. I was expecting to get up in the morning and find it down to at least around about 40%. So I only used 20%. I was really pleased with that. This is the only source of power that Becky's going to have in her van. So it's a really good experiment to see how this little AC 180 performs. Modern inverters are so much more efficient than the old type of inverters. We've just simply left it switched on with nothing plugged into it, and in the morning it switched itself off by the morning. So they do turn themselves off if you're not using them. Look how simple that is. We can simply unplug that, take that out, and it's no problem. Yeah, it's so easy to upgrade as well. There's no messing about with wires or what size cable do I need. None of that messing around. It's so much easier, especially for people that aren't familiar with electrics.
Like me.
Like Becky. And Lorian's interested in seeing how this all works as well. That's what we're doing today. We're going to build some...
We're building some cupboards.
Cupboards up there and some cupboards under there.
Yeah, and working out how to do the pull-out bed.
And I've got to cut a hole in this for a vent for the fridge, because I forgot to do that. That's why there's a gap there, because I don't want to put the fridge up against there because it needs ventilation. I'm just working out the size of our box for this, for the electrical and plumbing box. I know it's a bit dodgy having the plumbing and the electrics all in one place, but it is what it is. We're restricted in room, so we're going to box this off. This is going to give us support for the bed as well. And we're probably going to have another divider here with 2 drawers coming out there. Is that right?
Yeah,
that's
brilliant.
That will give this support as well as giving us room for drawers. Favourite bit this is, when you measure everything, cut everything, and then you finally get to screw it into place. It's my, just Gives me an immense sense of well-being and pleasure. That's it, that's your electrics all boxed in.
So we've got the fridge fitted and fixed in the area, we've got all the plumbing behind, and then where Mel is just at the moment, he's put in a divider wall so that all the electrics and the water are housed in there. Don't worry, we will be putting in another divider to separate the water from the electrics. And then under here is going to be a big drawer.
That's solid, so much more solid than it was earlier.
Yeah.
It worked out well, that.
Now, final bit, it's just the end piece. Finish that cupboard off.
I'm going to use this piece of old scrap wood.
Oh, I see.
I have red slats. I have red Newton and I have red slats.
There you go. Monsters, do you want to come with us?
Thank you so much. Thanks, sir.
He's just looking at me going like, what?
I'm spending buckets.
So we've just been working on this partition here. So Mel's just finishing off the plate that's going to go on the front of the face of this area. And then we're going to work on the cupboard.
Well, this is taking a little bit longer than expected and anticipated. But, oh, we're getting there. Look at that. We've now got a nice square compartment on my torch. There we go. Look at that nice square compartment. So now I'm going to make a big square box to fit in there. Just got to edge that off. Brilliant. What do you think of that? Eh?
I think it looks really great.
Give me a pat on the back and a thumbs up if you like this video so far.
And then we've got a nice big one drawer now in the centre.
I was going to do 2 long drawers, but Becky wants 1 big drawer, which I think is a great idea because, like we said, we can actually pull that drawer out and use it as an bed extension. So yeah, I've got to still make the box yet, so I'm going to crack on and get that box done.